we are looking at how to pronounce correctly the most essential sex words that many mispronounce, those words that you should definitely know about and nail the pronunciation of, because many mispronounce them and it doesn't look fantastic. How do you say this one? Sexuality. Sexuality. Basic but important. Sexuality. Lingerie, a word from French. Lingerie, in French it is said as lingerie. Lingerie is how it is said in English. Clitoris, or in American English, clitoris. Clitoris. And now you know. Penis, not penis, but rather, basically, obviously, penis. Coit, coit, pretty straightforward once you know. Coit is essentially a word to say sexual intercourse. Vagina, vagina, or coital alignment, a sexual position. Look it up, it's interesting. Or in American English, coital alignment. Coital alignment. Missionary, another basic sex position that many mispronounce. Missionary. Condom, it's important. Condom. Condom. And finally, hopefully you'll get there, orgasm. Orgasm. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names that many mispronounce. You won't anymore after watching those. Do you know how to pronounce them? Let's have a look into those. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there to learn more.